Hey guys, Greg here. Just want to give you a quick update where we're at, what's happening with Campedia and with us personally. So, a couple of things really quickly is I want to say a massive thank you to all of our new followers that have joined from our Facebook competition, which is win 5 nights at your favourite caravan park or campground. Thank you very much. Thank you for everyone that's been following us for over the last 6 years on our journey and what's happening. So, the second thing is we are packing a house where we'll be on the road by the end of the month, finding new caravan parks, campgrounds, rest areas and all those sorts of things. Keep adding to the Campedia app for you guys, and we'll also be providing a link very shortly that would love to hear and share. You know, if you guys want to share some of those locations that you have, be it a rest area, free camp, caravan park, campground, let us know. We want to add it to Campedia so everyone can join in and share all these new locations for us. But anyway, look, we're packing the house, getting organised. Got a new awning coming for the caravan. Some of you may or may not know that I actually built our own caravan as well. So that's kind of exciting, and get out and use it full time. But look, what I'm going to do is run through the house now. Quick look. I think the kids are inside here on a Sunday afternoon. They're a little bit buggered. So, hey kids, say hello.
Hi.
Excitement plus. But yeah, so built our own van. Last 2 months have been huge. So we've just sold our real estate photography business as well. So that's awesome. We're getting all packed up. House looks like an absolute bomb's hit it. The wife is doing an awesome job. She's down here. So hello, honey.
Hi everyone.
So let's get her in focus. There we go. So she's down here packing up.
Any tips?
Eating chips.
No, any tips.
Oh, any tips? I thought you said you're eating chips. You're not eating chips, no. Any tips? So yeah, look guys, look, absolutely. We want to share if there's any tips that you guys think we should know, should do. We're going to be doing distance ed with the school through Riverside Christian College, based from Maryborough. So that's going to be interesting. We'll probably be adding a few bottle shop locations too, honey, won't we?
Probably.
Just to deal with the kids and the homeschooling, but I'm sure it'll be fine. We're excited about it. But look guys, stay tuned. Thank you again for everyone for watching. I'll just roll on a few clips now from our Fraser Island trip. Stay happy, stay camping, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
Yesterday is gone, forget about tomorrow and the ceilings you see right through. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky. There's only one way out, inside a prison view. 10 whispers or a shout, gunpowder if it's true. Smoke before the fire, no one else can slay the dragon sleeping inside of you. Find the moment and make it.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that little run on Fraser Island. So Please, if you like this video, hit that like button, share it if that's something you'd love to do, and don't forget to download the Campedia app in the Google Play or the iOS store. So thanks again, guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Cheers.